There you go. Good Lord. Oh. Oh, that's the worst. What's up, Brite Nation?
What's up, Brite Nation?
It is a beautiful day. Look, it's Sand Hollow State Park. We have the stepchild with us. The sun is shining, and Taryn's Jeep is broken down on the trail. If you watched the last video, you already know this. If you haven't watched the last video, go back and watch it because Taryn broke a tie rod end. And she didn't just break the tie rod end on the trail. She broke the tie rod end on a trail that's as far as humanly possible from the entrance of the park, which is fine. Now, Blake here, though, said that he thinks he has a spare tie rod end in his Jeep, which is luckily parked here in the parking lot. The question is, do they actually have the spare part? We need good news, Blake. What is that noise?
A JK issue.
Look at that! Seriously, that's what?
That's terrible.
It's just is what it is. Okay, we have two. We have both. So we have two spare tie rod ends because we don't know if it's, because one's a reverse thread and one isn't, right?
Mm-hmm.
God.
So we just need to see.
That's so, no wonder you broke one. Look how tiny that is.
What is that?
That's what I said.
It's a blend door actuator gone bad. Well,
I think it's this one.
That one.
This one, because it had the offset on it, I think.
Just bring them both.
But we'll bring them both. Better safe than sorry.
that's the driver's side. I know, it's so bad.
What's that? I call it Machine Gun Kelly. Just goes like, just turn the volume up. Just turn the radio up and it's good.
So one is a tie rod end, one is a drag link. And we think now. So maybe we don't have the right part.
Do not. I mean, we can probably, as long as this is the right thread.
Jury rig it just to get off the trail?
The thread's going the right direction, so it won't be offset like this one, but we can use it.
So you have the one for that end.
Correct.
Gotcha. But not the end she broke.
Yep.
All right, new plan. We are going to, well, luckily we all four of us live right there. So we are going to go back to Taryn and Blake's house. We're going to take his tie rod end off of his driver's side, then take that tie rod end up to Taryn's Jeep, replace it to get her Jeep off, and then once we get back, he'll probably want to swap it back onto his Jeep so he can drive his Jeep, and she'll just be SOL until they can get a new one and swap that on. But first, a quick pit stop. Come on, let's go to let the dogs out. Let's go cycle potties. Hi, Peanut Butter. Oh, she's so fast. Hi, Peanut Butter. Hi, I know. Every time I leave the house now, they're afraid that we're going to be gone for months. Okay, let's go potty. Come on. Sabine. Hi, baby. Good girl. All right, let's go. We got to go save Taryn and Blake's Jeep. Another change of plans. We're going to bring the dogs with us so they can have some fun out on the trails while we fix the tie rod.
Luckily, Taryn and Blake live like
Right down the
3
street.
streets over, so that makes it super nice.
Yeah, they're basically our neighbors. Let's go on an adventure. Both of them. String cheese is like their favorite thing in the whole wide world.
I thought you were their favorite thing.
Second to me. So we're gonna pull off Blake's tie rod end.
Should be fairly easy.
Should be fairly.
What you want to do first is crack that nut.
Oh, good point.
Are you just?
Fair point.
I'm gonna.
Are you supervising? Is that what's happening?
Yeah. You want to crack that nut first while everything's attached, so you don't have flippy flopping around.
Whoop. That was a tightening.
That one's at least we know that one's a regular threaded one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem to be doing it. So
Oh,
done.
boom. Look at that.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
there we go.
He doesn't need me. He's literally twice the man I am.
Quite literally.
Quite literally.
We're officially back on Sand Hollow Mountain. Like I said at the beginning of the video, Taryn decided to brake on the farthest reaches of the mesa. So it's probably gonna take us a minute to get out there.
So Brite doesn't even Blake. We're just talking about how she has all stock everything. She hasn't broken any of it.
Oh yeah, tell him that,
It's
Taryn.
Blake's fault because, again, I'm proud that he was bragging about that I've never broken anything, but like 3 minutes later, probably 3 minutes later, snap.
Yeah, he was bragging to everyone. She's like, yeah, she's actually never broken anything, except for her own bones.
Yeah.
Because she does that all the time. She's tripped and fallen a couple times out here and broken like ankles and stuff. But he's like, yeah, she's never broken anything. And then yeah, a few minutes later. We found it!
crescent wrench here.
The big boy wrench.
Double the size of every other crescent wrench.
Yeah, me too. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, you found a stick? There's a stick. You got sand in your face? Oh my gosh.
Here.
So vicious. Now we
There we
both have a
go.
stick.
Oh.
Murder. And this is the carnage we're dealing with, which honestly is the best case scenario. It just snapped this boy off right at the threads. It's a Barnes 4-wheel drive. We will get her fixed up and off this trail. Oh, look at that.
Have anti-seize on it.
Yep.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Anti-seize makes the difference.
That didn't take much time at all.
Yeah, I'm surprised that broke. I mean, honestly, it's a scrape.
Oh yeah, that's a...
Your finger's gonna be covered in anti-seize, just FYI.
Oh, yay. It's okay. It's okay.
Nails? You show me your pretty Valentine's nails?
Look at my pretty...
Valentine with some flowers.
Yeah, look at my
Pretty
pretty
flowers.
February nails.
Yeah,
Kevin
you
actually
show
brought
the
me...
flowers that I got you?
Maybe when we go home, Kevin
Oh.
brought me flowers and asked me to be his Valentine's. What'd you say?
Kevin asked you to be his Valentine's husband.
But
You're fixing my
You
teeth.
probably
I'm
love
gonna-
Yes!
You're probably gonna leave me for Valentine's.
To be fair, Blake doesn't have extra girlfriends.
Holy crap! Jelly just climbed the wall! Oh my God! And then Peanut tried and failed.
Yeah, Peanut.
Jelly, come here.
More power in her legs.
Jelly, come here!
No,
Come
come
here.
here,
Like
to
a
me.
seal.
Hey, to me. She doesn't
Good girl!
Peanut's all pissed.
Peanut's mad! Peanut's like, you left me! Jelly!
Jelly, Jelly, do it again.
Jelly, come on, go get it!
Come on.
Go get it!
That's
She climbed that easier than any of the Jeeps did!
Hey, I broke doing that. Good job, Jelly.
Peanut, come on!
Come on.
Peanut's like, I tried.
Go, 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 go.
No!
You don't have the power. You don't have the 4-low power. Okay.
She's 4 low with the V6. Jelly's 4 low with a V8.
Yeah, Jelly's just working those little legs. Come on, Jelly. Come here.
Come on.
Come here. Look how.
I know.
super low.
She's like a mountain goat, I swear to God. She has like a rear suck down winch.
Yeah, she's the rear winch, and she's.
We're struggling to get the cotter out. My hair's in your face.
Well, you can destroy it. So you don't need it.
Kevin's trying.
You gotta turn your 4 low on.
You gotta hit it with your purse. Oh, oh, oh. Good job, babe.
Yeah, he's got to hit it with some speed. Vertically. I'll call Jelly.
Okay, so
Have you guys seen our pet mountain goat?
Jelly, go get him. Oh, Peanut got it too. Oh. She saved it. Oh my God.
Tara was like, Peanut,
Peanut. Oh my God, we have 2 mountain goats.
Oh,
Well,
no, Peanut got it.
Yeah.
Peanut was only made it because Jelly
that was luck.
so fast.
That was luck.
Yeah,
We were
took a passenger.
distracted
Just a little bit.
by the dogs, but Blake here, the champion that he is, got the cotter put out and the other end out. As you can see, got the new end in.
All right, stop. Driver, very slow. Keep going. Right there. Stop.
Woo!
Perfect. Don't move.
Look at that. That took all of 5 minutes.
Kurt's jumped up from where it was on my Jeep. Yeah, it's just
Oh, it's spinning it. Oh no. So Kevin's using the crescent wrench to put pressure up on it.
Or I'm
Hopefully,
gonna put pressure down. One or the other.
yeah, just to try to keep it.
Still just spinning. Yeah. All right.
take a
Okay,
look.
try pressure down.
Can you see the bottom of it spinning?
Yep, there it goes.
Stop spinning down.
Yeah, that's working.
Yep.
I'm putting pressure on it, so
Right,
it
right.
has to grab it.
Like he means it. That's a lot of pressure.
There
There you go. Good Lord. Oh, that's the worst. How bad?
Oh, it's not too bad. But that
yeah,
may just be
here's-
from the
Yeah.
set from the Jeep. Put some more anti-seize on it before we came up here.
I think we've gotten it. And what did we forget?
Well, we didn't bring the impact. We didn't think we could need it.
I think we've gotten it as tight as we can get it without one.
Yeah.
I say, you think that'll be enough to at least lip it off the trail?
I mean, if it's just
Yeah.
spinning.
I mean, we can also
on it.
stop every little bit and just make sure it's still there, I
Well, I
guess.
just don't want it to waller out the
Yeah, the knuckle.
if it-
The dogs found a lizard, and the lizard escaped. But they don't know that yet. They're in full catch prey mode. Don't worry, I already checked the holes and stuff for rattlesnakes, but also both of the dogs are rattlesnake trained, which is pretty rad. So they both know what a rattlesnake looks like, sounds like, and smells like. And they know absolutely to stay the F away from them, which is good. Peanut over here. You digging holes? You find it? You get it?
Yep.
How'd you do it?
I went like this. I was my own impact.
Oh yeah, it's tight.
Yeah,
You created your own impact.
I did. With our powers combined,
Perfection. Yeah,
the
but
power of Grayskull. You gotta break that nut free. And you gotta rotate the whole tie rod.
Oh, the ram. Yeah.
The ram out.
Yeah.
Room two.
Almost there.
Almost there. Here you go.
Alright, just testing, making sure.
Oh, what's that?
You
What
hit the
happened?
diff. As he said, it hits the diff cover a little bit.
Yeah. A single shear when you're turning back and forth is not a good thing ever because it's working that bolt back and forth.
Oh yeah, it's
You
loose.
wanna-
I just saw it.
Yeah, you want a double shear. You want a double shear
Ram.
clamp. What happens is every time you turn back and forth, it's on a single plane instead of having a double shear clamp.
Right.
It'll keep that from ever coming loose.
And then look at how both of these are completely maxed out. These should be at rest. So you need to loosen this and turn the bar to where it's at rest and then clamp it back down because those are under tension right now. Yeah, I see this happen all the time. And then some people, like you can Loctite them and stuff, but yeah, so the clamp rotated and slid at some point as well. So we need to basically undo these bolts, go full driver, extend everything and clamp it down in the right position, but with the tie rod at proper rest point.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can just limp it off the trail the easy way.
Yeah, we'll turn back. Let me make sure. Oh, shit, that scared me.
That scared the shit. You jumped so hard.
Well, because it started binding as well. Okay,
That's our power steering
Go a little
pump
bit-
making that
go a
noise
little
at
bit
full lock.
further. Okay, so no, okay. So that's what's going on. The clamp slid and turning all the way passenger is bowing it, and that's what snapped the tie rod in. Right now you have too much throw, and so it's going past it, and you have like no knuckle stops or something. It literally, your tie rod right now, just when you went all the way past it, literally bowed all the way out. So no turning lock to lock right now. Huh?
I didn't break it.
I mean,
It broke
trying to
itself.
break. It's literally trying to rip itself apart. Yeah.
So if the clamp isn't set exactly in the right spot, you can have too much throw one way or the other. So what you want to do is have the ram all the way extended, so turn all the way to the driver, which your tires are turned, everything's turned, and then clamp it down. So what happens is right now, since it's moved, she's going all the way passenger and she's out of steering angle, but she still has this much ram left. So when she pushes through it, the ram keeps going and it starts
forcing all those
it starts
components.
forcing everything. And when you just did that, literally a tie rod like came towards me,
Yeah.
so you know all the stress is right there at the end.
Got it.
So upgrade your clamp to the one that Chris Webb makes, Webb's Garage. His clamp actually has knurling on the inside. So even if the bolts come loose, a lot of times that knurling, once it's dug into the aluminum, it won't.
It'll keep it from shifting.
It'll keep it usually from sliding, just because it's like dug.
That's the one we run on the stepchild.
That's one on the stepchild, and like the bolt shouldn't come loose, but everything works itself, and it, yeah. So do that, and his are double shear. So it's a double shear and has a knurling, and then you won't have that problem. So I'm pretty sure that's what happened. Is your clamp had slid, and then you turned.
Too much throw on the ram.
Yep.
All right, but as is, at least it's enough. We can get her off the trail, back to their house, and from there we can kind of fix all the other issues. Their tiny little legs are tuckered out. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I saw that coming too.
Jelly Bean's pooped, half asleep. Peanut was asleep until that hit. So you look at that. There's a Cybertruck. Look at that.
Look at that.
Would you look at that? Would you just look at that?
I'm right in his way. Or not. Tesla was so quiet. I don't really get it.
Woohoo!
We made it.
So far, so good. Oh. Peanut, come here. She got so excited she tried to twist around to bark at the edge. We're off the mountain. We made it safe and sound to pavement. And pavement is only a few minutes away from home. So, victory.
That was victory.
We did.
We got to do the whole trail. They got to do most of the trail. and then ride with the
Yeah,
other
that
part of
was-
the trail.
yeah.
So that's fun.
And then bombing up and down the dunes a couple times. And yeah, it was honestly, all in all,
yeah, thanks, Aaron, for the shortcut.
a good day. Wasn't
Not
it
that you're gonna
shortcut?
watch this, but thanks for the shortcut, Aaron.
Guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all your Lite Brite Nation merch and decals at LiteBriteStudios.com.
Hey, Blake,
As
I
always,
need help changing out some joints on my control arms. So I
Oh
don't know if
my
you're free
God.
Deal.
Say less.
Yeah.
As always, guys, we love you. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we'll
See
see
you
you
next
next
And we'll
time.
see you next time.